screaming at the world. Baby, why'd you go away? I'm still your girl. Holding on too tight, head up in the clouds. Heaven only knows where you are now. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear a song. Every night I'm dancing with you. Every night I'm dancing with you. Never got the chance to say your last goodbye. I gotta move on, but it hurts to try. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear a song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. How do I love again? How do I trust again? I stay up all night, tell myself I'm alright. Baby, you're just harder to see than most. I put the record on, wait till I hear a song. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Yeah, every night I'm dancing with your ghost. Picture perfect memories scattered all around the floor. Reaching for the phone, 'cause I can't fight it anymore. And I wonder if I ever cross your mind.
Everybody takes his glass. Par la coupelle.
It's a quarter after one. I'm all alone and I need you now. Said I wouldn't call, lost all control and I need you now.
Carillonné, le sonneur a bien carillonné. Il faut boire sa santé. Il faut boire, il faut boire, il faut boire sa santé.
Said I wouldn't call, lost all control and I need you now. And I don't know how I can do without. I just need you now.
The mindset of the family over there is to prove, to taste, and to prove that Processe di Dolce Acqua can be done differently. The first cuvée of this wine, vintage 2022, the 60% of this wine is done basically, if we can say, so in a stainless steel vat. Can't say this word. I'm sorry. Voila, with a fresh and juicy and fruity wine, really to be drinkable in itself.
I saw you dancing in a crowded room. You look so happy when I'm not with you.
We are in a region very particular one, very small, but we have the possibility to present the wonderful meat, the wonderful food, the wonderful drink, the wonderful wine, the wonderful everything. Anna Grillo,
Manuela, Cinzia, Erika e Ramsey.
Grillo family. Anna e Vanna. Questo è il fatto. Lady di
I'll make you cry when I run away. Take me back.
So thank you to all of you, and especially to Dominique, Piero, and all the staff from the Monégasque Association of Sommeliers, and all the sommeliers here, and the wine producers had a fantastic experience here.
Save your tears for another day.
I see.